Welcome to episode 10 of Flow's Fundamentals. In this episode, we will be covering the essential rules for adding the Wacky Khaki Booster deck. The fundamental mechanic of the Wacky Khaki Booster deck is the officer ranks. You will notice several similarities to enlisted ranks released previously in the Perfectly Pink booster deck, so make sure to watch that video first, as I will go through these similarities rather quickly. So as you might expect, whenever you draw a rank, it must be played on a bunny in the bunny circle. The bunny with the highest officer rank is labeled the highest officer ranked bunny. The highest officer ranked bunny provides the same exact benefits as the highest enlisted ranked bunny, with the ability to play a card directly from the hand. This could be a run card played directly from the hand, or it could even be a special that was saved directly from the hand. Just like enlisted ranks, if I draw a new one, I have the option to replace the one I currently have, as long as I give the previous one to another bunny in the bunny circle. In this case, the opponent's bunny would get the previous rank. But it's always important to remember that only the highest rank by number receives the benefit. If I do not have a bunny when I draw a rank, that rank must go to another bunny that exists in the bunny circle, in this case the opponent's bunny, and the opponent, having the only bunny with the rank, would get the highest officer ranked bunny benefit. Just like with enlisted ranks, the Heavenly Halo cannot have them, and I also cannot swap ranks with my opponent. If I draw a rank that happens to be lower, my bunny will receive that rank, and I will not have the option to swap with the opponent's rank. Now for the mechanics that actually matter. The highest enlisted ranked bunny and the highest officer ranked bunny are two separate abilities. However, the highest enlisted must have the permission of the highest officer to use their ability. So in this case, I as the player have the highest enlisted ranked bunny, and with my opponent's permission, I will be able to use the card from my hand. The highest officer ranked bunny can do so without permission, so the officer rank is strictly stronger. This is not to say that the officer rank is higher than the enlisted rank. They are two separate mechanics. It just happens that the officer rank prevents the enlisted rank if they so choose, regardless of number. Another interesting interaction with this is that if the same player has both the officer and the enlisted ranked bunny, both ranks may be used, resulting in 2 cards directly from the hand each turn, which is quite strong. This has been episode 10 of Flow's Fundamentals, covering the fundamental mechanic of officer ranked bunnies. And as always, Jeff bless.